Hello everyone, if you are using Nvidia RTX 3070, there is a new driver update available, version 591.59, released on Thursday, December 18, 2025. In this video, I will explain what's new performance improvement, bug fix, and whether you should update or not. What is the update? Nvidia has released the GeForce Game Ready Driver 591.59 for RTX series GPUs. This update mainly focuses on better gaming stability, performance optimization, and bugs fixed for the latest games and applications. What's new in driver 591.59? This update brings improved performance for latest AAA games, better DLSS and ray tracing stability, fixed for random stuttering and frame drops, optimized support for Windows 11 latest build, bug fix for crashes in some popular games and clear tabs. Overall, it makes gameplay smoother and more stable, especially in RTX 3070. In this video, I have explained to how to update this driver. GeForce Experience recommend all download manually from Nvidia official.